Hi, my name is Darius Robbins. I am the CEO and owner of Mic Check Global. If you watch this video to the very end, I have a special offer for those people who watch this entire video. So you don't want to miss anything. On this video, we're going to talk about shared networks. We're going to talk about YouTube playlists. We're going to talk about Spotify playlists. We're going to talk about ads. We're going to talk about shared networks and how all of that goes into creating an organic marketing strategy for artists, taking them from where they are to the next level and producing income. So our first plan is our starter plan. Our starter plan is going to market one Spotify single, one YouTube video. It's $400 a month, and we're going to get your music exposed to 100,000 people worldwide. About 1 to 10% of those people will possibly respond and engage with the content based on the music. All of our services are organic and range-based, never specific on one number. Everything is based on the content. We have our premium plan, which is $1,300 a month, 2 Spotify singles. We include Instagram, 1 YouTube video, marketing you to 500,000 people worldwide. 1 to 10% of those people will possibly engage with the content. Our Instagram strategy, we base it on content. We give you a content strategy, scheduling of your content, when to post, and key content strategies that are specific to your brand to reach the Explore page, which is how you get organic reach and organic followers. Now, the best plan that we offer is our viral plan. It's $5,000. It's a one-time payment for 2 months. We market 4 Spotify singles, Instagram, 1 YouTube video to 2 million people worldwide. 1 to 10% of those people will possibly engage and respond to the content. We have a bonus. You can get into our crypto group, which is how we help artists invest their money and become their own investors. We have a lot of success stories where people have made $20,000 within a few months. We have that on our page. We have that around on social media. We also have one-on-one investment/business coaching for individuals who have businesses or side hustles and they want to expand that business to help fund their career. So we have multiple ways you can get a return on your investment when you get the viral plan. Plus, once you get the numbers, once you get 100,000, 200,000 views, you can start charging for features. You can start selling merch, and that's going to make you more money than royalties. So we have a whole package that is tailored to you getting a return on your investment once you reach the numbers. So based on your budget, based on what you're willing to invest, those are the 3 tiers. What makes us different from other companies is that we're transparent. We get on the phone with you. We have resources. We have videos. Once you are a client, you'll be able to watch on how to network, what to do at shows, what not to spend your money on, what to spend your money on, how to budget, the 90-10 rule. The 90-10 rule basically is 90% of your budget goes to marketing, 10% of your budget goes to production. What does that mean? That means when you record a video, when you go to the studio, when you get mix and mastering, when you purchase a beat, all of that is production. So typically what artists do is they spend thousands of dollars on production, and then they spend as least as possible on marketing, and they wonder why their numbers aren't high, they're not creating income, and it's totally the reverse of what they need to do. You need to spend a certain amount on production, and then you want to maximize your marketing so you get the numbers to attract fans so you can start making income. The only way to make income is to have fans. We help you get fans by getting our marketing service. Our marketing service helps you get fans. Fans help you produce income. Royalties is going to be your smallest bag unless you hit millions upon millions and millions of streams. What we do is we help you reach hundreds of thousands of views to where you can start charging for features. You can charge $250 to $500 per feature. Get 10 artists to get a feature from you. Within a month, you can make $2,500 to $5,000 within 1 month. We have artists making $3,000 a month off of that type of strategy, including merch sales. So all you need to do is just get to a certain level where you can start producing income based on features and merch, which is hundreds of thousands of views and streams every single month. So if you can start there, we can help you get to the next level above that. So you want to start with us as soon as possible so you can start creating income. All right, this is the special offer for those who watched up to this point. Shoot me a DM on Mic Check Global and say, I watched the full video. That's all you got to say. I watched the full video. I'll know exactly what you're talking about. And this is a specific offer. You're going to be able to get all of our services that you see here 50% off for the next 7 days. So if you send us a message and say, I watched the full video, we're going to give you these services, whichever one that you pick, 50% off for the next 7 days. So I look forward to getting started with you in the next 7 days. Let's make it happen. Peace.